When laminating the core mat and when checking the wetting of the core mat, it is important to do this without applying too much pressure. Let's show you what happens when we do apply pressure. The core mat compresses under the roller and the resin we just put in is forced out. Now we can roll this back into place, so you wouldn't know it to look at it, that we put pressure on it. The thickness of the part is not affected, but it does leave a mark. An invisible dry spot that will compromise the strength of your laminate. Our CoreMat XI has the blue resin indicator. When we start laminating, the blue color turns to white. This allows us to instantly detect areas where no resin has been applied. And also whether we have wetted the core mat through and through. When we turn over this discolored core mat, we can still see the blue, indicating that we need to wet out this side separately.
The blue resin indicator on CoreMat XI is really handy when you're laminating complex or large parts, just to keep track of where you've been with your polyester or vinyl ester resin. But polyester resin is not the only thing that can discolor the core mat. Also sunlight can do that. And that's why Lantor has black lined bags to ensure the quality for its 2-year shelf life. What did you think of this video? And what are your tips for laminating core mat? Please leave your comments below and subscribe to our channel for more videos on Lantor and our products.
Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter for more updates from Lantor. And should you have any technical questions about our Lantor products, you can always contact us on lantor.com.